Hi, it's the Asus Zenfone 10 and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So we should first launch the Play Store app, and in the search bar we should enter the green Apple keyboard. So now we should get this application. That's why tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. Then just tap to open the app, click to enable in settings, and near green Apple keyboard click on the switcher. Then just tap twice to OK and go back. Click to switch input methods and switch your current keyboard to the green Apple keyboard.
The best electric bikes for 2022. Rad Power Bikes Rad Runner
Now
Plus.
let's just skip
This
the
e-bike
ads.
has a
So the process is finished now, and let's just check our new keyboard look, and we could see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as all of the emojis. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.